What's on YouTube? Welcome to my car channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, if you're not coming from my other channel, I have a main channel which is Damien TV. I did a introducing my car channel about 2 months ago now, and I was been supposed to start uploading on this channel, and I didn't. But anyways, enough talking. We gonna get right to the chase. So, as y'all seen from the title, I got that Z1 Motorsport Intake. I'm sorry. Okay. I finally decided to come a day late, but it's okay. I'm gonna find somewhere to set this up and open it so y'all can see. Okay. That's a decent-ish angle. So we just gonna go ahead and okay.
Oh my god.
We got the clamps right here.
So like I knew what these were, but I didn't know the name. So I just mumbled something to make it seem like I knew. Y'all gonna peep it.
Okay. Yo, it's just so loud out here. Only when I want to record. You see what type block I live in. Anyways. Hey, yeah. And the big body filter. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up somewhere so y'all can just see this. I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse. And I'm gonna just jump in with every obstacle I reach, because I don't know what I'm doing. But we're gonna get this done. Let's go.
Man, it's time to be.
Old intake is off. As y'all can see, this is, yeah, you can tell this been there for a minute. Gotta go. Imagine I'll do it. I'm not gonna throw it yet because I'm still trying to figure everything out. I have to find out some way to reuse this, because I had a whole problem with this in the first place because of my old intake, and I kind of need this right now for my new one. So with that being said, this might be an issue. But we'll see. Try to work around it. Let's go. So the reason why these screws are even in here in the first place is because my last mechanic did surgery on this kind of part right here to make sure this intake wasn't intaking too much air, because that's what it was doing. But that kind of failed because it eventually just completely cracked on me. So, you know, it happens, but we upgraded, so we'll see. Okay, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work just fine too, because I was able to get all those screws off, and if I'm not mistaken, all I gotta do is pull these, you know, the nuts off of the bolts, and I can just peel. Yeah, no, I'm good. Okay, so I lost one of the clamps. It's not okay. Never mind, I found it. This is what I hate. This O2 sensor. Like, I seriously hate dealing with it. This is taking a lot more time than I wanted it to. Squeeze. There we go. I think we lit in that aspect. We looking a little clean. I went with the blacked out, not only because it was the only one they had in stock, but also because it looks nice. Doesn't go beyond that. And there goes mistake number one. Bro, damn it. I should have put that there first. Well, you gotta do it over. I was about to do something real dumb. I was about to take the O2 sensor off and all that stuff. All I gotta do is take this off. Look at that. big brain. Now, some of y'all that might have sent comment sense, but me, nah, that's like new level smarts for me. Okay. That's some next level genius. Like, my mother will be proud that I just figured that out. I really hope that's okay. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. And I'm almost certain it is. Nah, I'm green. Yeah. So, I'm pretty much almost done. I figured out where this piece goes. It goes in here to connect that to this. Boom. I kind of figured that out a little bit earlier, so I already put it in there. Other than that, it's nothing else to do. It was a real simple thing. And we about to go ahead and install this so we can hurry up and turn this car on and make some noise. If I'm not mistaken, I think we might be done. Boom. It only made sense, you know? It only made sense. It only made sense. Girl. We're gonna tighten a couple more things and then we're gonna start her up. I'll be right back. 3, 2, 1. Right up as expected. We're gonna let it run for a little bit, then I'm gonna give it a couple revs. Something is still wrong. It's a couple days later, ever since I put the cart in the car, it had got dark and I had to tighten a little bit more stuff. It just wasn't a good time to show y'all. It's been a good 2 days now. From the last intake that I had, everything running better. It's not revving on idle, it's not revving at stop signs, the shaking stop. Honestly, it's good so far. After a couple days, it's valid. It definitely is and worth the money. Alright, so the revs, they sound decent. It's nothing crazy. A couple things else I gotta work with. I still gotta work on my evap leak and all that stuff. But other than that, it's chill. So the next project probably gonna be a muffler leak. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that myself or if I'm gonna pay somebody to do that, but welcome to the car channel.